So basic. Start from the character, incredible, uh, disc, despicable. Show me.
The face, the chest, and the stomach.
Okay. Okay.
How's it, sir?
Fine. It's fine.
Okay.
So it's really awesome. Chalo, we start the drawing. First, we are creating the line of action. This is the line of action of drawing. Okay, ma'am, this is the line of action. So here I draw the head. Here I draw the torso.
Are you all my personal?
This head.
This is the last bit that I'm the last, sir, because I wanted to go for the animation last.
Yeah. Last week I actually what happened? Suddenly internet is gone. I go to the internet office to directly. I am not using my phone here only. Why it is not coming? And then I see that you call me and all, but internet some issue is coming suddenly. So head, torso, pelvis. Here this torso is the overlapping. Torso means that chest overlapping for a second time. And here the hand. So I can make like, see, very simple. I make like this. Okay, this is one hand leg, another leg.
So what is that, sir?
It's characters. Okay, and here is a torso. So this torso, one hand is like this. This one hand,
Are you all my personal?
and this another hand. Very simple. This is a character head.
Just 1 minute. I made a mistake.
Stop.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Let me talk.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here. I heard
I'm
a
also not understanding
What is
yeah, sir. Again, touch me.
this one, right?
Sir, I'm not understanding what you are doing.
Okay, ma'am. I show you. I show you first, and then again I draw. Okay, don't worry. I make one character here.
Okay.
Okay, here is one character.
Yeah.
This is eyes. I first make it, and then again I show whole drawing again. 1 second, no problem. Nose. Okay. This is smile.
Let the pencil go.
Sure. দাঁড়াও, এটা তো করতে পারো। মোটা আছে এটা। আরো পেজ দিই, দাঁড়াও, আরো পেজ দিতে সুবিধা হবে।
Are you all my personal dream?
মধ্যে কোন এটা আমার?
Everything you know is in your mind.
So now I just make it here. Okay, this is the body. Their hand. Okay, their hand. How create the character animation? খুলছি just a minute.
Are you all my personal dream?
Okay. So basically I create one character. This is the one animation movie called the Discapable 2, and here this type of character you can see. See, this is a character. This is the lake.
Are you all my personal dreams?
So here one character standing.
Everything you know is in your mind.
This pose, okay. So how to start this drawing, basically I show.
Yes, sir.
I show the same things once again. Okay, Lalita ma'am, understood now. That is the main motto, to create a character standing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So the basic I do overheat. So it will full body character I want to introduce, animation character, animated character. This is body, this is pelvis, this is a head, this is torso. See, Nongra, okay. So then this one hand, this another hand. Okay. Just make practice to character, just character drawing. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, I made so many mistakes in this, sir. Can I start in that one too?
Yeah. And here is a character, eyes and mouth. The eyeball, nose, if I follow this technique, so it is very easy to draw. That's why
You
I
all my
draw first these techniques. Okay, the head, torso, pelvis, and join this, and then hand, the leg like this,
everything you know.
another leg like this, one hand like this, another hand like this. This is the basic character movement.
Yes, sir.
How to they are standing.
Really hard to draw for you. Very sweet.
Yes.
Hello.
This is a basic, very basic. Circle, head, torso, pelvis,
Okay.
hand, and leg. This. This character's face basically look like this. Okay. But we are not focused on the portrait now. We are focused on the body. This looks like this character, but focus the body structure.
Okay, sir.